Okay, everybody, welcome back to the Boostly podcast. As you hopefully should know by now, my name is Mark Simpson and I give hosts just like you the tools, the tactics, the training and the confidence to go and get more bookings and ideally direct. So where you don't have to rely on Airbnb and booking.com to do so. We're a one-stop shop here at Boostly. You can get everything from website design, content creation, training, you name it, it's all here. So head to boostly.co.uk. If you are new here, please do make sure that you like this video, comment and share it around. Please let me know where you're watching from in the world in the comments in the chat, and I will try and get back to everybody. In today, I wanted to introduce to you to a new tool, something that I think will help everybody, especially when it comes to direct bookings. This company is called StayFi, S-T-A-Y-F-I. So boostly.co.uk/StayFi.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely. If you want my respect, you better put direct. Here are the words in the podcast, that's what comes next.
And what it is think about how many people you get to come and stay in your property on a year-by-year basis. And come and now think about how many people actually use your Wi-Fi. Now, we give Wi-Fi away for free. One of the hotels do really well in getting guest data is putting a little masking page, so to speak, on the Wi-Fi. So if you want Wi-Fi, you've got to sign up for it. And we do it. We're free. We do it willingly. So the problem has been is that there's never been the equivalent for small businesses. Short-term rentals, bed and breakfast. I dabbled with this software in 2013 and the software was crap. It was annoying. It didn't work. It was overpriced. I've been very, very, very excited recently to discover about StayFi, and the good news is that very soon expanding all over the world. You can literally buy it and set it up now. They are expanding their software to make it multilingual, and it is so exciting. The founders of StayFi have asked me to hold off from recording this video, but I want to talk about it now, so I want to get everybody to get ready for it. The way that it works is a little device. It will go into your property. If anybody wants to use the Wi-Fi, they need to give you their email address and sign up for all the GDPRness and all that lovely stuff. But once you've got their email, you've got their email. You can sync into your MailChimp provider, whoever that may be, and you can then send emails to them. Now, the cool thing is that normally when you do this, you only get the booker's email. But with this technology, you get the whole party's email. So if you say get a group of friends come, or if you get a group of workers come, you will get all of their data. So then you can then remarket them in the future. This is such an important piece of kit. I cannot even begin to describe how essential it is that you go and get them for your property. So whether you've got one property or you've got 100, this is going to be the way forward. I know a couple of people who are using it already, and they have given me some raving reviews, and they are now using the Boostly templates that I give in my coaching program, and it is working so well. So please do go check them out. It's Boostly, boostly.co.uk/StayFi. Send them a message, send them an email, send them an Instagram message, send them a group chat, get on a call with them, have a chat with them. Please do say that Boostly sent you, because they'll know why there's so many Europeans coming to them all of a sudden. But do go check them out. It is one of my most recommended things that you do this year. There is a cost, but it's a small cost in comparison to the return of investment that you're going to get on direct bookings. So again, that's StayFi, boostly.co.uk/StayFi, StayFi. Go do that right now. Go get them installed. And then please share with me the amazing results and all those direct bookings that you are going to get on the back end. For now, that is the end of today's podcast. I'm going to be back tomorrow with another tool that I want to share with you. If this is the first time that you've tuned in, please do make sure you hit the like button. Please make sure that you subscribe, you download and do all the lovely goodness things, and tell somebody about this. Share this video in Facebook groups. Tell everybody about StayFi, and I will be back tomorrow for another episode, another lesson, another experience of the Boostly podcast.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.